And hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal Uncle Hal. And today we're going to do nutrition bars. Miss Sincere did one on the ER nutrition bar. I don't really like them. I used them in real life. That's why Uncle Hal doesn't have teeth. What I recommend if you want to put in your bug out bag are these Extend Nutrition. You can find it at Walmart or any grocery store. Walmart's the cheapest. 5.84 without shipping. Just go over there and pick it up. Basically, you want cookies or cream or one of these. They're really good. You get 4 bars for a box. And what it does, if you look at that, regular snacks, typical snacks, your sugar level goes up and your energy level goes that up. And with these bars, you minimize your blood sugar spikes, control cravings, prevents blood sugar lows during nighttime hypoglycemia. Okay, that's 23 grams of carbs, 4 grams of dietary fiber, and 9 grams of sugar, and 9 grams of fat carb. But anyway, that's really good for people who are looking for something different than energy bar, candy bar, or those god awful ration bars. And it looks nice too. Now, for me, because I know Mike Hitton and Walker Outdoors wanted something portable. Now, this is a pencil box you get at school supplies. I drink coffee, so I have a couple of freeze dried coffees. Like Mike, I still smoke sometimes when I stress, so I should have a pack of matches. And this is my little packet of bouillon soups, sugar, creamers and sugars. And I got a couple packs of bouillon powders and 2 hard candies. Okay, that's my drink theme. And a little hard candy too. And then right here, folks, is what the big thing is about. I have 4 bars of cookies and cream, all natural ingredients and gluten free. And that provides controlled blood sugar for 9 hours. So this is a little bit healthier than your regular, what you call it, emergency ration. And a lot of people wondering, oh, well, what's the difference of the whole thing? Well, it gives you about 150 calories. All right, that's okay for one day. It's not a meal. All right, it does kill hunger. And on those bars, I don't trust them. Basically, you're eating weird calories. I make a better ration pack and bars for later, but this is like something you stick in your pocket in case you get lost outdoors overnight, in the woods, alone, with wolves. Ow! So you have this, it's all set up. See, easy. Put the lid on, and there you go. It's all packed and cheap. Total cost, everything together, okay, um, less than $7. The box was free. I got it at a garage sale. They gave me it for free. Uh, Other than the bullion came out of the kitchen, but I originally bought that for about $2. The creamer and the sugar came from the coffee shop. Matches came from old Safeway pack. So altogether about $7. The most expensive things were the coffees, the hard candy, and the Extend Nutrition bars. That's about it. And see how nice that fits together? And you put that in your pocket. Easy as pie. No rocket science, folks. You know, when I look at people and they got all these weird gadgets and horrible tasting things, and I look at them and I pull out one of these and they look at me like, that's kind of smart. And I'm like, oh, duh, Uncle Alan's kind of stupid. Okay, well, that's it. You have a nice night, folks. Please like and subscribe to Old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79, the man with the fez. Alrighty, folks, catch you later.